How to post text on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can create Instagram post with text. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. So once you are on your home page, navigate to the bottom menu bar and then tap on the plus icon. Here now that will guide you to the creating the new post, and you will land on your gallery section. So from here you have to select the background image where you can add a text on. So select the background image. Here I will recommend you choosing a plain image so that the text are visible properly. So here I have this image right here. Here you can zoom in the image and select the part that you want to post and then tap on next. After that, you will land on the edit page. Now to add text, tap on the text option available here at the bottom of this interface. Now you have to type in your preferred text that you want to add on your Instagram post. So once you're done with that, if you want to select multiple text style, you can also do that by selecting different options here. If you want to change the color, tap on the color option, and here you can change the color as well. If you want to add background, you could also do that. And once you're done editing your text, tap on done at the top right. And here with the help of your fingertip, you can place it wherever you like. And once you're done editing your text according to your preference choice, then tap on the next at the bottom right corner. And here on the final step, you can add a caption, add people, add location, add music, and once done, tap on here. And now this post with the text will be shared in your Instagram account. If you go back to your profile, wait for a while and then refresh your home page. As you can see, now this post with the text has been posted on my account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.